Most people think getting someone to open up means asking the right questions. Wrong. The world's most effective conversationalists, CIA-trained body language experts, never ask questions at all. They make statements. You walk into a room, someone looks tense. Instead of asking, "Are you okay?" you say, "You look like you just had the longest day of your life." Watch what happens. They start talking. That's not small talk. That's a psychological trigger, one the CIA spent decades perfecting to get information from people who didn't want to give it. Your brain is wired to respond to statements more than questions. Questions feel like a test. Statements feel like someone actually sees you. And when someone feels seen, they open up completely. This is what separates ordinary people from true masters of human behavior. If you want to understand what people are really thinking before they even say a word, stay on this channel.